Hey beauts, welcome to another weekly vlog. Please don't forget to subscribe, but today's a big day. It's going to be the first time I'm leaving BB and I'm going to document it. I'm nervous. I'm excited to kind of go for a brunch with my girls, and I'll go into a few reasons as to why I feel like it's the right time and, you know, why this is my decision to kind of have a little day to myself with friends. It's not like, you know, I'm not leaving her for weeks on end, not even days. I'm literally going to a brunch for like 6 hours. But still, I've not been away for her for longer than 1 hour. So it's a big deal. And yeah, I'm excited to just get dressed up and actually go and have a few drinks in the sun with some friends. So I'll see you when I'm ready. Okay guys, I'm ready for the brunch. I'm feeling pretty good. I have to admit, my hair is fresh. Like, I feel like I'm really ready to go out, although I didn't do my nails. Oh well. I love my little outfit as well. I'll have to show you it full length, get a couple of pictures or something. But yeah, I'm nervous and excited. Oh, I can't believe I'm gonna leave my little girl. Are you gonna be good with daddy? Are you gonna be good with daddy? Oh, my little smiley Sue. Oh, my little smiley. Fuzzy's got the bottles ready. Oh, I need to pump actually. Okay, you can take me to the station, drop mummy off, and I'll see you later. I made it, guys. This feels weird. Oh my days. The weather is so nice. I'm meeting my friend Annie here and then we're going to meet Lauren. Here she is. Outfit of the day. Nike retro ones. Jacket that Annie wants but she can't have. Primark £2.50 vest. Gucci bag and misguided pants. And off we go. Oh wait, outfit essential. We got a sparkler!
Is that nice? You miss mommy?
I need more videos! It's only been 2 hours, but I need more! Okay guys, I did it. I'm feeling slightly fragile. But a full day away from my little birdie and I missed her so much. Like, there were times when I was travelling to this brunch thinking, why am I doing this? But for anyone wondering, and I don't have to justify myself, but I do kind of want to chat about why that was important to me. And I also want to stress, whatever you decide on doing as a parent, if you don't want to leave your baby's side, if you co-sleep, if you breastfeed, if you don't, if you go back to work full time after a month or two, whatever the case, I just want to stress, please don't judge anyone if they are in a different situation to yourself. Mum shaming is something I've definitely struggled with over the past 5 months, but having a healthy, happy baby is really important, but also being healthy and happy in yourself and feeling fulfilled in yourself is also very important. Otherwise, you won't be present for your baby if you're not re-energizing in the way that you need to. And I think it's important to let you guys know that I did worry about losing myself after pregnancy, whatever that means, like losing my old life. Again, if you've been here from the beginning of the journey, becoming pregnant with BB was a complete surprise. The best surprise of my whole entire life and such a miracle. But as we know now, life is unpredictable. We've seen 2020 come and go and the effects are still here. You know, the pandemic is still affecting the world. We're trying to heal. And long story short, I am the breadwinner of the family and my work is really important to me. I love what I do and I'm so grateful I get to do that from home. Like, I'm so grateful with the brands I work with and also for the support that Buzzy gives me in my job and my life, and obviously as a parent he's the most incredible dad I've ever witnessed, quite honestly. So me going to this brunch, they're really close friends of mine but they're also work colleagues and it was important for me to have a catch up with them. They were aware that it was my first time. I wanted to leave BB with Buzzy for the first time to just see if I could actually make a solid commitment when it came to work over the summer. So whether that's going to the studio, whether that's attending an event, because let's be honest, when you arrange a brunch with friends, they'll understand if I have to cancel due to some kind of crippling anxiety of leaving her. But I overcame that, and yeah, and it was really nice to let my hair down. So also, just in case you're wondering, Buzzy was bottle feeding her with my breast milk that I had stored up and frozen for this exact purpose. So I got to let my hair down, enjoy some drinks. I got back, I was a little bit, it wasn't very late when I got back, it was about like 9:30, 10 I think, because it was a day event. And yeah, it was hard, but it was enjoyable. So I managed to enjoy myself essentially, which is great, because what's the point of me leaving the house to do something like that if I can't actually enjoy myself? After a few G&Ts though, I was loving life. But yeah, I was very much excited to return home to my baby girl. So that's the context of that, and I have to say that it was successful and enjoyable. And now I don't want to leave her side for a very long time. But, you know, at least I know that I could overcome that, and in the future she's definitely going to be good with Buzzy. Leaving her with anyone else might be a little bit of a struggle, but yeah, we'll see. Anyway, I'm just getting ready now. We're actually going to London today together as a family for Buzzy's checkup of his teeth. He's still on the journey of that, so he's got 4 more teeth to go, and they just need to kind of measure him up for the retainer and everything, but we'll bring you along. Let's go down and see BB. Hello, you! Not very happy right now. Oh dear. Oh, my little darling. Going to London today? We're going to go shopping. Oh. Off we go. All ready now, guys. Looking a little bit more glam than I did this morning. So yeah, we're right ready. We're going to go to London, and also I'm going to try and see if we've got time to go to Selfridges, because it's been a long time and Selfridges is like my favourite shop ever. I mean, we went to Primark together last week, so why not Selfridges this week? Also, the lip tint I've got on, I did this little trying weird lipsticks. I'm doing a series on TikTok, and this was like a little soda bottle lip tint. Just weird things that I'm finding on Amazon at the moment. People are enjoying the little series on TikTok, so yeah, that's my part 2. Let me know if you find any weird lipsticks that I need to try, because I very much enjoy it. Yeah, let's go. I've got to grab my laptop, do a little bit of editing in the car. Buzzy's literally turned the engine on, that's my cue. Back at the dentist. Oh, so cute. Let's have a look at your little outfit. Yeah, of course. Oh my God. Bless her. I don't know what this is, but she loves it. You love it, don't you? How are your teeth looking, Buzzy?
Look at the canine.
Let's see. Wow, look at them Bobby Dazzlers. We actually decided not to go to Selfridges, but instead go to Harrods. I was saying the other day to Buzzy, I mean, not that I can really buy much still now. I used to literally go to Harrods with my family and treat it like a museum, because there was no way that I'd even consider that I could come out with even one thing as much as like a toy.
And even that's an upgrade for me, because I've never even been there.
Oh, have you not? Wow. First time for everything. So yeah, off to Harrods. Oh, Harry's Bar. That's Sarah and Joe's, one of their favourite spots. Friend Sarah Ashcroft, her and her boyfriend Joe, love Harry's Bar. So she's asleep now, needs a little nap. You precious girl. First time in Harrods. Yeah. Is Baby wearing Gucci? Yeah, Gucci gang. What do you think of these? Lots of little toys for you. What do you think? Ah, do you love it? Look at this little cat. Press its nose. It yawns like your cat. Literally, it looks like our cats. Oh, do you like that? Do you like that? I think she does. Oh, pit stop for dinner. She's asleep. New toy. Random. Morning guys! I apologise, this vlog is a little bit spread out, so the past few days I've just been doing admin, work, boring things, but also the gym. So I'll insert a little bit of my progress in here because I'm really proud of myself, guys. I'm like squatting heavier, I'm leg pressing heavier. My goals, which I've spoken about a lot and I'm going to be continuing to talk about in my fitness journey, are kind of to get strong. It's about strength for me, and nothing makes me feel better than, you know, squatting or pulling a heavier weight and just knowing that my strength is growing. So with the squats, I'm going up in like small increments per session, literally like 1.5 kilos per session, and I think I'm on about 50 at the moment. I'm finding it challenging, but I love a challenge. So yeah, I'm not really that keen on upper body days because my weak arms, and I actually dislocated my shoulder a few years ago skiing. So that, to be honest, the best thing for it has been weight training and building muscle around the area that was fractured. But yeah, so that's a little bit about my gym. Today is quite sunny outside actually. We've got a few little things planned, might go for lunch, and I'm actually gonna give BB porridge for the first time. She's gonna be 6 months in a couple of weeks, which is crazy. I can't even believe it. So I guess I should probably like start the weaning process. I don't know. What age did you wean your little baby? What advice would you give? I'm gonna start with baby porridge just to get her to explore textures, but I'm still exclusively breastfeeding. And I'm loving it, but she's growing, she needs more, she just needs more food really, like, you know, nearly 6 months. She's still quite petite. She's quite tall though, so all babies are different sizes, aren't they? I mean, some are hella chubs like I was when I was younger, and she's just a little bit more petite. I think Buzzy was more of a petite baby. Anyway, let's go down, see BB and Buzzy. Guten Morgen. Give us all a smile. Oh, thank you for that. What beautiful sound. Do you want to have some porridge? Guys, we got this little chair. It's like a little high seat chair, but it's perfect for the countertops, and this comes off it to turn into a, well, what do you call it when they eat from it? Yeah, a high chair. Excuse me, Froggy. Get down. Yeah, let's put her in. Put you in your high chair. Don't bang her head on that light. Oh, you banged her head on that light. In the high chair. She's looking up at that light. Oh, you're too cute, Birdie Blue. Those little feet. Oh. Do you realise how lucky you are? You're about to try porridge. So every spoonful of porridge takes 2 spoonfuls of water. So let's just boil the kettle. So every tablespoon of porridge, 2 tablespoons of water.
I hate things going over your head.
She does hate things going over her head. Oh, that's better. She needs one of those plastic bibs. It's probably going to be easier mixing it in something like this. It's much easier to stir it in a pot or a cup. I'm going to put it in this bowl just so it doesn't look so strange. We need like little baby cutlery and stuff.
We've got spoons, haven't we?
Yeah, we haven't got any bowls or anything yet. God, this feels so strange. I mean, that's probably all she's going to need. Little spoon. Right. So it's more like, are you going to try some of this? Baby porridge? Wow. What do you think, Bertie? Want some more? You're holding it.
Good girl.
Don't get your pretty little onesie dirty. You've got to open your mouth. Oh, she's too cute. I need to take a picture. Clever girl. Oh. Stop shoving it down your throat. A little tongue. Oh, wait, that's too much. I'm such an amateur. Can you believe it? She's literally doing it herself. I don't know whether she's enjoying the porridge or the plastic spoon on her Little teething gums. Choo, 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 choo. Little tongue!
Yeah.
I could do this all day, guys. It's so funny. She loves it. That little tongue. Watch. Oh, you want more? Where's that tongue then? Okay, you have it. All gone. She's literally eaten it all. A whole tablespoon, which is about 100 calories worth. The part that all babies hate, surely.
There we go. Look at them thumbs.
Well, that was a success. She's looking for a spoon. Oh, it's a bit dirty actually. Let's give it a wash. Good girl, baby. What did you think of your first little creamy porridge? Loved it. Success. So this is her pretty onesie that's got, I think it's got tiny little tulips on it, which is so beautiful. Do you love it? It's from the White Company, but Wizard Publicity sent it, so thank you so much. What a gorgeous gift, and it's size 3 to 6 months. She's kind of just about fitting into 3 to 6 months now. Mwah, did you love your porridge? We're gonna get ready now. Mwah, well, she's ready, but we need to get ready and go out for the day, and also we've got a few errands to run, and feel like we should go for a pub lunch to celebrate you becoming such a big girl. Such a big girl. Ready to go for lunch. Moana off. Sunglasses. Oh my gosh, you have to see this. How insane is the new Key and Sweetie collection. These roses actually smell insane, like of perfume. This is one of the rows of the glasses, and then love that little card that says bestie. Crepe check, by the way. I'll show you in a minute my outfit. And then we've got this drawer filled with more lushness. I think I'm gonna go for these ones today though. Very kind of 90s. These trainers are from a place called Kick Game, by the way, and I'm obsessed. I've bought another pair, which are like apricot. Can't wait to wear them as well, but yeah. Sick. Guys, I'm not gonna lie. We got ready to go out. We did have a little bit to eat, got a pizza. She was crying most of the time, so we literally had pizza and it lasted for about 15 minutes. We got the bill and left, and I didn't manage to vlog any of it, and we came home and I had such a headache. So we've just been resting, chilling and watching a bit of Line of Duty, so I'm so sorry. Literally failed at vlogging our day out. Well, I failed at our day out. Oh, I feel so rough. I've been sleeping. BB's just woke up from her nap as well. So I think I'm actually gonna go to bed. Oh my gosh, I look so tired. My whole body aches from working out the gym this week, but do you know what? It's actually a good ache. I quite like it. So I think we're gonna watch a film in bed. Oh, I need some paracetamol. I mean, it started off so well. Anyway guys, time to give BB a bath. And I think I need a bath as well. And bedtime. So we're all bathed, we're in bed. I still use the shushing sound on YouTube. And it works every time. But her sleep regression is real, so it's like 8 PM right now, and she's gonna wake up probably about 2 AM and then 4 AM, then 5 AM and then 6 AM. Sometimes she even wakes up at like 11 and I'm like, why girl? But night my beauties, I'll see you in the morning. Oh. Good morning little girl.
I'm gonna get him.
This is consistent.
Gonna get him.
This is the best.
Here he comes. He comes.
That's the best. Do it again. Just keep doing it.
Here he comes. Here he comes. He's gonna get you. Here he comes.
Oh, you are just so special. Well, someone is extremely happy this morning. You love Mr. Panda, don't you? Watch her scream. Oh, you just want mummy now I'm laying down with you, don't you? Ignore all the washing in the background, guys, but I'm actually going to leave this week's vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and join the family. Leave a little like and a comment down below, and I'll be getting back to all of you. We love them, don't we, Birdie? Say bye-bye. See you on the next one, beauts. Love you lots. Mwah. Bye.